Welcome to Fashionable Brunch. That's right, you're having brunch with the Sands family this fine morning. My name is Timothy Sands. This is Fashionable Father. If you're one of the lucky early subscribers, welcome back. And if you're new here, I make content for men to present their best self. If you're interested, subscribe if you're so inclined. All right, so yeah, this morning I want to talk about brunch. One of my favorite meals of the day. My wife was so amazing. She made me eggs Benedict for the first time. We kind of struggled through it, so we want to do it again. And we want to show you that you don't have to be a master chef in order to get some of this stuff done. And also show you a morning routine that may reflect yours, or maybe it's a little different. So the first thing in the morning I do is I grab this and I fill it up with water. It's about 32 ounces. I don't drink from this. I actually drink from a glass because that's just more enjoyable for me. But the reason I fill this up is because I want to track my water throughout the day. I kind of highly recommend that, whatever you do, whether you fill up a gallon or whatever you want, however you want to do it. But I think it's, did I just spill some water? Yeah, but I think it's a good way to track how much water you're drinking in a day, so you're not going, did I drink 8 cups or whatever? Now, don't get me wrong, I seldom, actually, I try to drink 2 to 3 of these. I probably seldom do that, but you know, I try. Pretty much, I'm going to show you the whole routine and what we do, and maybe give you some tips on how to make eggs Benedict from scratch. All right, let's have some fun.
I feel so good today. Feeling lucky. What a lovely day. Woke up on a vibe, y'all. Got a brand new thing. Yeah, it's all going my way. My shoes got sold. Got a strut in my walk now. Got a pocket full of sun. Won't say it won't go down. I'm the winner, I can feel it in the city. Yeah, heavy when I breathe it in. Roll the dice for the 7, hit 11, hit a 7, hit 11 again. I'm all good. Got a 4-leaf clover. Y'all can knock on wood. It's my lucky day. 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 'Cause I know today it's gonna go my way. I can see the sunshine through the rain. It's my lucky day.
Hi, bud.
Yesterday I got burned.
I think the difficult aspect of all this is the timing, because there's 3 parts. 4? Oh yeah, what about the English muffins?
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, so it's all about like the timing. English muffins, Canadian bacon, hollandaise sauce, and eggs. I'm kind of decent with the poacher. We just got this poacher. Hopefully everything works.
Got a 4-leaf clover. Y'all can knock on wood. It's my lucky day. My lucky day. My lucky day. It is my lucky day. My lucky day.
This thing's gotta be.
'Cause I know today.
Yeah, but you know what? It's okay, because I'm gonna start adding.
Whoa.
Oh! Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me.
Okay. How about this? You want?
Great. There it goes.
Please. All right, stop.
Stop it.
Just pour it all in.
Alright.
Like what is that? That recipe? Yeah, thanks. That's not gonna work. Yeah, just do that.
My lucky day. It is my lucky day. My lucky day. My lucky day. 'Cause I know today it's gonna go my way. I can see the sunshine through the rain. It's my lucky day. Can you
Look at that. Wow. That's pretty amazing. Perfectly. We were so lucky. We just thought we did wrong. A bite? Let me give you a little bite.
It's the eggs and sausage and dinner.
Mm-hmm.
With
Do you want another bite?
the dinner time.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. It's chocolate.
You want more?
It's chocolate.
This is a heavy meal. There's a lot going on here. And as you can tell, it's not exactly the easiest meal to make for a family. Arthur, he had some waffles and stuff before we even started. So you can tell he had a couple bites. I'm surprised how much he likes it.
He loves it.
We could have made him one. But that's what's hard about this. Is you saw that there's the poacher only fits 4. So there's a lot going on. My name's Timothy Sands. This is Fashionable Father. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you'll probably like this video right here about our trip to Palm Springs, where we do have breakfast and someone serves it to us. It was glorious. So take a look at that, and thanks for being here, and thanks for enjoying. You want to say so? You want to say it?
Bill melted.
Style first.
Style first.